All right, this is the first time I've ever seen a cicada just fresh out of its shell. You know, I've seen a lot of the shell right there from where they crawl out of the ground. That little shell, that's what their larvae form, that's what they come out of. I've seen those around a lot, and I've seen the cicadas around a lot. But I have never seen one fresh out of the shell. That is stinking awesome. And it's got them, see how pretty them wings are on them things? On that thing? That is pretty dang cool. That is awesome. Because it's like after midnight right now. I got home late and I was going to feed the dogs because I got home late and saw that thing. It's pretty dang cool.